Hello everyone, this is Scouter Rohinton Patel. Welcome you to today's program. Firstly, thank you all for taking time out and joining us for today's virtual group birthday celebrations. We will not take up much of your time. We are celebrating today the 99th group birthday of the Scout group and 34th group birthday of the Guide group. The Talati Scout group has entered the 100th year, and to celebrate the centenary year, we are in process of planning a couple of remote activities and events which will soon be executed. As you all know, COVID-19 has resulted in most institutions shutting down in India and all across the world. What started as a public health issue has now snowballed into a test for the prospects of today's young generation. Isolation and distancing have become the norm for the future. How long these things will remain closed, it is very difficult to say. It is also difficult to say and how we will be having our Scout and Guide meetings in future. The pandemic has transformed the centuries-old blackboard, chalk and talk teaching model to one driven by technology using online strategies. As a result, teaching and learning has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of the virtual sessions. Hence, there is a need to change, and our group is no exception. We at Talatis have also changed with times. As you are aware, from April this year, we have been conducting Sunday sessions virtually and innovatively for Cubs, Scouts, Bulbuls and Guides. Hence, on Sundays, we try to create opportunities for children to play, learn and relax. We request you the parents, to encourage your children to participate in such distance sessions every Sunday. A little bit of housekeeping for today before we start our presentations, which please note. Firstly, we suggest all participants to be muted at all times. Kindly do not enter and exit the session unless absolutely necessary. Further, low bandwidth means low network performance. Running this session over a mobile network could hamper performance. Hence, due to bandwidth issues, some presentations or videos may have latency issues causing breaking image, sound variations, etc. This is unavoidable. Also, handing over from one presentation to another may take some time. Please bear with us. On 10 July 2020, our actual group birthday date, we had a small traditional ceremony performed at the Scouter by our senior Scouters and Guiders with a flag break and homage to the founder. Today, we'll be looking at a small clippings of the same, followed by a small entertainment video of the Scouts, followed by that of the Guides group. The annual progress report and annual prizes announcements for 2019-20 will be presented by the Guides and then by the Scouts group leaders. And we'll be ending the function with the national anthem. So let's begin. I request Scout Kalchan Wadia to kindly take over for the videos.
Yes, now I will display the homage to the founder video.
परम ज्योति जगा देना, प्रेम की गंगा सागर, हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा चल बना देना। बदन के वास्ते जीना, बदन के वास्ते मरना, बदन पर जा फिदा करना, प्रभु हमको सिखा देना। दया करता न भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना। दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना। झंडा ऊंचा सदा रहेगा, ऊंचा सदा रहेगा, झंडा ऊंचा सदा रहेगा। नीला रंग गगन सा विस्तार पास फैलाता, दिल गाने की प्रतिज्ञाओं की याद दिलाता। और चक्र कहता है प्रतिपल आगे कदम बढ़ेगा, ऊंचा सदा रहेगा, झंडा ऊंचा सदा रहेगा।
We give thee thanks, O Lord, for our founder's life of service and for his gift of scouting and guidance to us. Strengthen us, we beseech. Lead to the worthy of his trust. Help us to hold firmly the law which he gave us for our guidance, and so to understand all things. Guide and inspire, which the youth of our youth might find unity and true sisterhood and brotherhood. Amen.
Okay, so now we'll be showing the scout entertainment followed by the guides entertainment.
यह वीडियो काल्पनिक है। यह वीडियो किसी भी समुदाय, समाज, स्ट्रीम, फील्ड की इंसल्ट नहीं करता। यह सिर्फ मनोरंजन पर्पस के लिए है। इसे कृपया करके सीरियसली ना लीजिए और इसको एंजॉय कीजिए। थैंक यू। इस दुनिया में 3 तरह की फील्ड्स होती है, कॉमर्स, साइंस और वो जो तुम्हारे माँ बाप देख के बोले ये कौन सी फील्ड है, ये क्यों कर रहे हो, इससे अच्छा पढ़ाई कर लेते।
Hey, yo. Yo. Check 1. Check 2. Yeah. Check. Yo. Check.
काम ठीक है, एक टाइम टेबल बना। सुबह को फिजिक्स, दोपहर को केमिस्ट्री और रात में मैथ्स कर ले।
अरे क्या तुम साइंस वाले फकीरों पूरा टाइम पढ़ने की बातें करते रहते हो, शर्म करो शर्म।
क्यों पढ़ाई जरूरी नहीं है?
तुम साइंस वाले फकीरों जी पूरा साल पढ़ के जितने मार्क्स लेके आ जाओ ना, उतना मैं एक रात में पढ़ के लेके आ सकता हूँ।
तुम कॉमर्स वाला अनपढ़ चाहे गवार बस लोफरगिरी करना जानते हो।
पढ़े लिखे गवार साइंस के हम हैं तो तुम हो, हमारी वजह से तुम जिंदा हो।
तुम लोग जिस बिल्डिंग में रहते हो ना, वो बिल्डिंग हम इंजीनियरों ने बनाई है, समझाएगा?
और तुम इंजीनियर की पगार कौन चलाते? हम चलाते, तुम इंजीनियर की पगार। जा देखो बनते सैलरी दे दो जा।
और जब बीमार पड़ेगा तो हम डॉक्टर के पास मत आना इलाज करवाने।
और जो तुम्हारे पिछवाड़े में पैसे ज्यादा आ जाए ना तो हम सीए के पास मत आना टैक्स बचा के।
चल चल सीए दे दो, आपकी जिंदगी निकल गई अटेम्प्ट में।
अबे वो 60 साल के पीएचडी करने वाले वाले डॉक्टर भाई फुर्सत में निकल।
मैं फुली बेंचलिंग, चल निकल चल।
अबे वो सैलरी एक्सपेंसेस निकल यहाँ से चल।
चल चल निकल, एक कैशियर, चल निकल चल
चल
चल।
नर्स की वाला चल निकल इधर से चल।
Any doubts?
सर आई हैव अ डाउट।
As expected, पूछो।
पहले दिन यहाँ पे आया था तो आलिया अली के साथ बैठी थी। फिर उसके अगले दिन मैं जब यहीं पे आया तो आलिया मुर्तजा के साथ बैठी। फिर उसके अगले दिन मैं आया तो आलिया मुस्तफा के साथ बैठ गई। मेरे साथ कब बैठेगी? तो मेरी शक्ल पे टट्टी लगी है, मैं नाश्ते में बच्चे खाता हूँ।
बेटा समझा आप लोग को?
एक चीज समझ में आई, ये जो सोडियम का एटम है वो कार्बन की कैथोड की तरफ क्यों अट्रैक्ट हो रहा है और क्लोरीन के साथ क्यों नहीं रहता, ये मेरे को समझ नहीं आया।
आज जिसके लिए आप लोग कॉलेज आते हो, अटेंडेंस। अजीज
प्रेजेंट,
हमजा
प्रेजेंट,
ताहिर
प्रेजेंट,
हुसैन
प्रेजेंट,
आदिल
प्रेजेंट,
फरशाद
प्रेजेंट,
जवेरी
बोला ना प्रेजेंट,
अबीजर
प्रेजेंट।
सब प्रेजेंट है। हुसैन
प्रेजेंट।
ताराला
सर वो आज नहीं आएगा, आज से नहीं आएगा।
क्यों?
सर आपको क्या इतनी पंचायत है, अपना काम करो ना, अटेंडेंस लो।
बालिका अजीब है, ये अजीब है। आदिल
उसको गाड़ी ने ठोक दिया,
अभिषेक
वही तो गाड़ी चला रहा था।
यूसुफ
उसको कुत्ता खा गया, अरे मेरा मतलब उसका होमवर्क कुत्ता खा गया।
आप लोग का अटेंडेंस लेता हूँ। अजीज
प्रेजेंट।
हुसैन
संडे
क्यों?
सर उसके घर पे बहुत लिमिट्स है तो उसके माँ बाप ने उसको अलग अलग करके उसका डेरिवेटिव निकाल दिया है, पर हम है ना उसके दोस्त उसको इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे।
फ्रेंडशिप इज कोई रुमाल दो मुझे। वाला
सर 17 घंटे पढ़ता है वो, ग्लूकोज की बोतल चढ़ा के रखी है उसने, बेचारा गरीब का बच्चा साइंस ले लिया उसने।
बेटा तूने साइंस क्यों लिया? कॉमर्स लेना चाहिए था। कॉमर्स। हमजा भारमल
तो पिछले हफ्ते मर गया।
कैसे?
आर डी शर्मा की बुक के नीचे आके मर गया सर। जिंदगी हमारी पैराबोला बन गई है, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे। मत रो तू, मत रो।
May I request Kainas to give the intro to the guide section entertainment?
That was very entertaining indeed. A warm welcome to our district officials, parents, guests, well-wishers, bulbuls, cubs, guides, scouts, rangers, rovers, guiders and scouters from all over the world. Let us now get together to shake a leg with our enthusiastically energetic bulbuls and guides who will present to you a duo of Bollywood songs. Karshan, may I request you to play the video?
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार, आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार। चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के, फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है, बिच खुशी के जाम शानदार, आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार। चिल्लर नोट बना के मेहंदी रात पे खुल के लुटा, चिंगारियों को विस्फोट बना के अय्याशी के तू रॉकेट छुड़ा। कैसा डर तू कर गुजर ये काम शानदार, ओ आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार। ये शाम शानदार, ये शाम शानदार।
आवरा का डावरा मोर सावरा है बावरा, धोती कुर्ता पहन के घूमे दिल्ली हो या आगरा।
बरेली वाले झुमके पे जिया ललचाए, कमर लचकाए तो लाखों गिर जाए। बरेली वाले झुमके पे जिया ललचाए, कमर लचकाए तो लाखों गिर जाए।
काहे मारे रे ताना, क्यों बनता है सयाना, ना मैं तेरी गुजरिया ना तू मेरा दीवाना।
सुट्टी तेरा ड्रामा मचा दे हंगामा, लड़ाए जो नजरिया जुलम होई गवा। तेरे है दीवाने तू माने या न माने, अरे सुन ले गुजरिया बलम होई गवा।
म्यूजिक बावरा
करो जी ना हल्ला है देखे मुहल्ला, मिले क्या तमाशा दिखा के।
थमा दो जी पल्ला न समझो निठल्ला, मुझे प्यारी भाषा सिखा के।
काहे मारे रे ताना, क्यों बनता है सयाना, ना मैं तेरी गुजरिया ना तू मेरा दीवाना।
सुट्टी तेरा ड्रामा मचा दे हंगामा, लड़ाए जो नजरिया जुलम होई गवा। तेरे है दीवाने तू माने या न माने, अरे सुन ले गुजरिया बलम होई गवा।
Wow, that was a performance. For keepsakes, I will forward the dance link which is uploaded on YouTube. Let us now take you on a short trip to what the Bulbuls and Guides have been up to in the year 2019-2020. May I request our guide captain, Mrs. Acharya, to read out our annual report. Mrs. Acharya, ready when you are.
Miss, can you please check if you are unmuted?
Yes. Yes, I have. Hello?
Yes, now we can hear you, Miss.
You can hear me? Okay. I'll go ahead. Should I go ahead?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Thank you, Kainaz and Farzana. Dear parents, district officials, friends, guides, bulbuls, guiders, scouts, cubs, and scouters. Hope this finds you all in good health. It gives me great pleasure in welcoming you all today online on the happy occasion of 34th birthday of Talati's Guide Company. Talati's Guide Company started 34 years ago in the year 1986 under the able guidance of late Miss Banu S. Talati. We thank late Scouter Firoz Engineer for promoting and sponsoring the Talati's Guide Company. Their dedication and inspiration has inspired us to work with the children for all these years. Today's function, conducted online, will be unique in a way which will be remembered by the young children for years to come. The last few months have been hard on everyone, especially on children who are cut off from their friends, family, especially their schools. They are glued to their laptops most part of their working day. Even then, the Talati's Guide Company has managed to keep the interest going by holding activities online regularly on Sundays. And for that, I give credit to all my young guiders. Thank you all. Hope we can keep going till we manage to come out of the pandemic and the lockdown. The Talati Guide Company has completed 34 years. The number of children of our group has also increased gradually. We have 7 guiders who have completed their Himalaya Wood Badge, and all the other guiders have done their training, which is very important. As our guiders are all professionals and with family, they try and come as and when they can and when required. They've never failed us for the camps and all the other activities. We appreciate the efforts put in by them sincerely. But the training and teaching does not suffer on all Sundays. Last year, we registered 50 guides and 20 bulbuls. The guide meetings were conducted every Sunday between 9 a.m. and 12 noon. For the first time, 2 of our young leaders, Meher Daruwala and Sakina Arsiwala, completed online beginners course conducted by the Bharat Scouts and Guides, New Delhi. Congratulations. This is first ever training conducted by National Headquarters. Before I read out the report, I would like to mention that guide Aisha Pardiwala has successfully completed Rajya Puraskar test in January 2020. The testing camp was held at Bhor near Pune. She was the only guide from our district to attend the same. Congratulations. Guide Ishita Singh has also completed all the tests of Rajya Puraskar. She could not attend the testing camp due to her 10th preliminary exams. Both the guides are preparing for the Rashtrapati Award test. The guides have participated in all the district level activities with great enthusiasm. At the late Colonel Jamshedji Kotawala elocution competition, guide Farida Nalwala came first in the English section under the age group of 14 years. Guide Ishita Singh won the first prize in English section under 17 years. She was also declared the best speaker in English in overall guide section. She has been declared the best speaker since last 3 years. Congratulations, Ishita. Keep it up. In the Hindi language, Amatullah Lokhandwala stood second in under 17 category. Guide Ishita Singh Also stood third in under 17 category in the Hindi section. We are proud of our girls who have always excelled in elocution competition every year. In the literary competition, which was held online for the first time, guide Zainab Miyaji was declared third winner. In the drawing competition, Bulbul Mahika Sharma stood third amongst her age group. At the late Adi Mullah computer skills competition, guides Ishita Singh and Umehani Kanchwala walked away with the first prize. The district Kempuri, our guides won the first prize and they also won the late Homi Lala Kempuri Award. Our Sunday activities include lots of fun, games, sing-song and training in guiding skills, which make the children face the harsh realities of life. The guides were taken for a hike and a monsoon trek to Irshalgarh, where they had a very enjoyable time. Just before the lockdown, the guides and Bulbuls visited Nehru Science Center on one Sunday in February 2020. The guides and Bulbuls went for a Diwali camp to Durshed Resort in November 2019. The guides learn new skills every time they are at the camp. All the parents should encourage their children to attend these camps. The parents have always known and appreciated the efforts put in by the leaders who organize and conduct each and every event throughout the year. Thank you, parents who have always supported the guiding activity by bringing their children every Sunday morning. This time around also, the parents have registered their names in big numbers for today's function. We are very thankful to you for all that. Hope the parents and children show the same interest in participating in future events also. We wish all of you to remain healthy, happy and safe. Thank you for being there today for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss.
I would like to, sorry, I would like to add one more thing. One more thing, Kainas.
Yes, Mr.
In spite of all these activities, our guide Ishita Singh scored 98.8% in her ICSE exams and guide Amatullah scored 93%. A very big congratulations to both of them. We are really very proud of them. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Kainas.
That is some super news. Congratulations, girls. Thank you, Miss. That was a short but a very productive year. Let's proceed to what our young Bulbuls and guides have been waiting to hear. The most exciting part of the day, the prize distribution. May I now request Guide Nazneen Bilamoria to announce the prizes. Good morning once again. Let's start with the Bulbul section. For that, we have Best Entertainer, Jumana Arsiwala. Next, for Best Artist, Mahika Sharma. Most Enthusiastic, Zara Dudwala. Best Camper, Sara Bharmal. Best Sixer, Parisa Engineer. Best Bulbul Junior, Tasneem Jam. Best Bulbul Senior, Khadija Lakrawala. Moving forward to the guide section, we have Best Camper Junior, Munira Pocketwala. Best Camper Senior, Sakina Bhavna Garwala. Most Progressive Junior, Radhya Bhavna Garwala. Most Progressive Senior, Insia Badani. Best Guide Junior, Madis Dubash. Best Guide Senior, Aisha Padiwala. Congratulations, girls. Thank you, Nazneen. Congratulations to all the winners. Hope you have received your prizes. They were pre-delivered. Couldn't let these testing times dampen your spirits. A round of applause to our winners. Guide claps go. This is Kaina signing off. Over to the Scouts. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Now we take you to the journey for the Scout section. There's some connection problem. Kindly bear with us.
Kalshin, please can we get access to share the presentation? Only admins are allowed.
No, I think anybody can share the presentation. So
That's not the case. We are not being able to share. Only meeting organizers and presenters can share.
okay.
Carlson, till the message comes, only meeting organizers and presenters can share.
Okay. Just hold on, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we got 10.
Farzana, try now.
Yeah. We have got it. We are
Yeah.
downloading it. Yeah. Parents, sorry, everyone. Can everyone see?
Yes. Yes, Kaushal, we can see.
Can everyone hear me?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yes, good to go.
Go ahead. Yeah. We go ahead with the presentation. As per our motto, go ahead. The Scout journey in the year 2019-20. This is the scene last year at the Alexandra Girls School Institution. A year ago, our team of 20 Scouters and Rovers. On 10 July 2020, Talati's Scout group has entered the 100th year, a legacy by our founder, Rustam Dinshad Talati. At present, the group comprises of 116 members, 26 Cubs, 55 Scouts, 28 Rovers, and 10 Scouters. Now we go to the East Bombay district events where we have shined. 18th August 2019, Computer Skills Competition. Scout Mufaddal Zaveri and Abizer Lokhandwala stood second. 18th August 2019, Ambulance Man Cup competition, we stood second. The team comprised of Petrol Leader Murtuza Palitanwala, Hamza Miyaji, Mufaddal Javeri, Adnan Lakshmidhar and Adil Saria. 18th August 2019 again, elocution competition. First under 12 English category and second in under Hindi category, and the best speaker in English, Mufaddal Tarwala. Scout claps go for him. October 2019, Best Cup competition, Haider Bismillah. Here you see him with the Scout Cup Master Cyrus Sayyar. 13th October 2019, Best Scout competition again was won by the Scout troop. Murtuza Palitanwala stood first and Hussain Tarwala stood second. Annual District Campori, 15 December 2019. Again, the Talati Scout group came first. The troop leader Murtuza Palitanwala is seen with the trophy. Petrol leader Usai Arsiwala and Zuhair Khambati are by his sides. 15 December 2019, on the spot drawing competition under 14 years category, Taha Mboti stood third. 16 February 2020, Intertroop efficiency competition. Talati Scout group came second, led by troop leader Zuhair Khambati and petrol leader Usai Arsiwala. Now coming to the camp and inter-patrol competitions. Diwali camp at Durshet, Khapoli in October 2019. Around 60 boys attended the camp. I have a glimpse of some of the pioneering activities at the Diwali camp Durshet. Training session at the Diwali camp. Cubs at Diwali camp. Water activities at Durshet camp, which both the Cubs and the Scouts enjoyed thoroughly. On 18th August 2019, Cubs had visited BPT Park at Kulaba. We still have signaling competitions, semaphore and moss for the seniors and deaf and dumb and science for both seniors and juniors. These competitions were held on 3rd and 10th November 2019. Cooking competitions. First part was held on 17 November 2019. And the menu was masala khichdi, bindi, roti and kheer. You can see the display of all the 4 patrols. 24-19, we had a sandwich making competition for the Cubs. They thoroughly enjoyed it. 1st December 2019, cooking competition part 2. Menu chicken rice, cauliflower, custard and chapatis. You can see the enthusiasm the boys in preparing for the competition. The boys at a Christmas party on 22nd December 2019. On 1st March 2020, perhaps the last activity, physical activity at the Scouter centenary planning meeting with present and past members of the group. We explored the ideas of how to celebrate the centenary year. From March onwards till July, we have online activities. Competitions and activities have been held only till 18 March 2020 due to COVID-19. Post 8 March, activities have started online, both for the Cubs, Scouts and Rovers. March to July 20 online activities for Cubs. 17th May, a picture collage of a message on coronavirus safety. 7 June, Cubs make a model of a motorcycle using household utensils. 14th June, toy handicraft, create an origami spinner and a pedaling wheel with the help of the diagrams provided. 21st June, online video meeting with test revision and scavenger hunt. 28th June, complete the task, yoga poses, poster on wall piece, self-introduction in different languages. These were for the Cubs. Scouts, we started on 19th April 2020. Video of patrol members demonstrating 6 basic notes. A picture collage of a slogan or a message on the theme Talati's family. 26th April, seniors create a model of picture provided using any material available at home. For juniors, make a face mask. 3rd May, different tasks given to patrols which had to be completed within a stipulated time. 10th May, each patrol to suggest a task force for Rovers, but ultimately it was each patrol who had to do their own tasks. 17th May, patrols to solve a quiz by exploring Dr. Baudaji Lad Museum online using Google Arts and Culture. 31st May, each patrol had to make a spoof. 7 June, each scout to make a model of a motorcycle using household utensils. This was common for Cubs and Scouts. 14 June, seniors to make a lantern using cardboard, juniors make an origami model of picture provided. 21st June 20, each scout had to make a video expressing their love and affection for their father on Father's Day. 28 June, we had an online Queen of Sheba. I request parents to make sure that its children join these online activities regularly. Now coming to the Scouters and Rovers. Appreciation for services as a Corona warrior. A certificate was given to Scouter Adnan Sutarwala. Well done, Adnan. Appreciation service as a Corona warrior was given by the Lions Club of East Bombay to Scout Adnan Lakshmidhar. You can see him in the green shirt on the right. Well done, Adnan Lakshmidhar. Congratulations for completing the online Scoutmasters course conducted by the Bharat Scouts and Guides headquarters, New Delhi. Rover Dr. Tyre Merchant, Rover Pashang Lavangia, Abhishek Damapurkar, Rover Tyre Lokhandwala, Rover Hamza Barmal, Rover Burhanuddin Fateh, Rover Mustafa Nalwala, Rover Aziz Kadri. Thank you all for doing the online course. A message from the rovers for the Talatis family. We may not have it all together, but together we have it all. The 80s Bombay Talati Scout Group announces the launch of the official website. The website will promote Talati Scout Group as a brand, which will be used for communications, news, feedback, and information exchange, archives and knowledge base, games, e-planning activities for the Scout Group in times of COVID and beyond, parents interaction, activities and entertainment, photo gallery of activities of our Scout Group. Please note, parents and well-wishers, currently some parts of the site are under development. As and when the new functionality develop, you will be informed. Contributions to the site will be requested for in the future. A very special thanks to Scouter Karlchen Wadia for conceptualizing and creating the website within a short span of a week. Thank you very much, Karlchen. Thank you everyone for patiently hearing me about the report of the Talati Scout Group. Prizes. Can you all see the second section, annual prizes for Cubs and Scouts for 2019-20?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I go ahead now for the most awaited part of the prizes. Best Cub for the year, Haider Bismillah. Congratulations, Haider. Best Sixer, Atim Nalwala. Claps please for him also. Best Camper, June Merchant. Best Camper, Taikum Sikandar, June Merchant. Regular attendance, Hatim Godiwala and Burhanuddin Kagalwala. Excellence in athletics, Juzer Guy, Yusuf Harneswala, Mustafa Miyaji, Murtuza Lunawadwala. Excellence in art, Burhanuddin Nagri, Usai Penwala, Fakhruddin Dolkawala, Kusai Rangwala. Excellence in handicraft, Abdullah Javeri, Burauddin Pocketwala, Daniel Tapia, Hussein Kothari. Now coming to the scout section. Best Scout Seniors. Mr. Palitanwala and Hussein Tarwala. They were also the winners of the district Best Scout competition. Louder claps please for both of them. Best Scout Hussein Palanwala. Best Patrol Leader Kusai Arsiwala. He is now a rover. Upcoming leader Tahir Palitanwala. Best Camper Senior at the Dushet Camp Hatim Bhagat.
Please unmute.
I'll go back 2-3 slides. Best Scout Seniors, Murtuza Palitanwala and Hussein Tarwala. They were the winners and runner-up at the district Best Scout competition. Scout claps go. Hussein Palanwala. Best Petrol Leader Kusai Arsiwala. Upcoming leader Tahir Palitanwala. Best Camper Senior Hatim Bhagat. Best Camper Junior Hatim Sukhedawala. Best Sportsman Athlete Hussein Lohar Chalwala. Best Entertainer, you can see from his face, Zuhair Khambati. Regular attendance seniors Murtuza Palitanwala and Mufaddal Javeri. They have been present on identical number of Sundays at the Scouter and they are both from the same patrol. One is a PL and one is a assistant PL. Juniors regular attendance Mustali Meru, Hamza Miti and Yazan Lat. Same thing for them. They have also been present identical number of Sundays. That's why 3 prizes this year. Scholars 10 standard ICSC Murtuza Palitanwala 92.5 and Hussein Lohar Chalwala 90%. Now coming to the petrol prizes. Best petrol, I just mentioned Murtuza Palitanwala and Mufaddal Javeri and made sure that one of them was always present on.
Rohinton Scouter, you are on mute again somehow. Rohinton Scouter, you are on mute. Request everybody to get the hands off the keyboard, please.
Now it's on.
Yes, continue.
Thank you. Best Petrol, Wolf Petrol, Murtuza Palitanwala, Mufaddal Javeri, Hamza Koita, Kunal Sampath, Farshad Lavangia, Hamza Ayaz, Tahir Fatehi, Abhizer Lokhandwala, Mudreka Sutarwala, Tahir Rampulwala, Hamza Mithi, Hatim Sukhedawala and Kusai Rangwala. Runner-up Tiger Petrol. Best Petrol at the camp. Lion Petrol. The petrol leader at the camp was Tahir Palitanwala, Ali Khan Maimwala, Unet Palanwala, Yusuf Nalwala, Mufaddal Tarwala, Muhammad Kathawala, Adnan Waji, Mustali Meru, Saad Ansari and Taha Chikani. runner-up Panther Patrol. Kalchan, you can hear me now?
Yes, all loud and clear. Please continue.
There were other various competitions throughout the year. Sports, Lion Patrol, PL Hussain Lokhandwala. Sorry, it's Hussain Loharchalwala and APL Tire Palitanwala. Entertainment, Tigers, Tire Satedawala and Bhatim Bhagat. This was done at the camp. Signaling, Tigers PL Kusai RC and APL Adil Saria. First aid and cooking have also been won by the Tiger Patrol. Scout claps go for Tiger Patrol and everyone. A special announcement and appreciation for our Scouters and Rovers. Scouter Zuza Rangwala, Scouter Murtuza Gandhi, Scouter Adnan Sutarwala, Rover Pashang Lavangya, Rover Tire Lokhandwala, Rover Hamza Barmal. Thank you for being with us today. Now the function will come to an end. Scouter Kalchan will play the national anthem. Let us all stand. Kalchan, are you ready?
Yes, Scouter.
Yeah.
मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमालय तरंगा आगे तव शुभ आए गाहे तव जय गा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत माता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Hi, Kalchan.
Kalchan, sign off.
Yes, thank you all for being a part of this virtual online group. So thank you. As I said again, thank you all for coming. Along with the troops, signing off. Have a nice.
Thank you.
You can do a PTM on this number. I don't think I have so much time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.